Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm recording. The scary thing is I'm getting hacked. Like, oh my freaking god. Right, I'm just gonna change my status update. Oh my god, see, I'm getting freaking hacked. I'm getting freaking hacked. Oh my god, right. Oh my freaking gosh. I'm so like scared, right? I'm gonna put my password in. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, it's up Instagram. Oh, okay, let's try login. Right. Oh Lord, I'm so scared. Okay, I'm so freaking scared. I'm texting my friend, like, cause she knows, just in case someone does change my password, I put my email in, so if that does happen, then I can put my email in, and like, I can put my email in, and like, then oh, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Okay, let's change this to oh my god. I'm honestly so scared, you guys. This is so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god, my best friend's worried as well. She's like, oh my god, don't get it hacked. Because I've got proper, like, good stuff on it. Like, I actually do. I'm a level 8, 400 odd, 477 star points. Right, let's just hope she doesn't text anybody. No. No, hi. She got so many accounts. Okay, my friend said she's gonna, like, just... She's gonna, like, call him. Oh my freaking god. Oh my gosh. I'm getting logged out, but my friend said she's gonna try, like, contact with MSP and, like, I don't know, do some stuff. Oh my god, right. Oh lord. Alright guys, I'll be like back in a minute because I do not know what's happening and I really want my account so badly. So I'm just gonna like talk to my friend for a bit and like yeah. I'll be back in a minute guys. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna log back in and just like yeah. Okay, I'm in. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm scared. Okay, I just told my friend what's happening. I'm so freaking scared. I'm like honestly so scared. Is it being hacked? Oh my gosh. Getting hacked. Mood. Add. So. Oh no. Oh my god, right. Oh my god, like. Oh no. Guys, I'm so scared. Okay. Okay, wait till. Okay. Okay. What the frick? Oh my god, guys. Oh my. Guys, freaking hell. Oh, that's why. This is what it is. That's what it is. I think. Anyway. Oh my god. I think I'm freaking hacked. It's that. Oh my god. Right, guys, I'll be back. I swear. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'll be back in a minute. I'm just gonna like put my email and stuff in because I cannot remember my password. So, got password. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my email in. I'll be back in a minute with you guys. So, guys, well, look what she changed me into. Yeah, so my friend's recording. Well, looks I got back on my account. So go add my best friend up. There. It's her Roblox name as well. So go ahead and run that. So basically they put ha 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 hacked, it's all you next. Beware. Okay, so I'm gonna change my password. Change password. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute, you guys. So yeah. So I changed my password. Oh Lord, why are you not texting back? Put this away. So basically, she made me pale white. Looks like I've been punched. A mad face. Angry face. Let me put it on sad. And she put that on zombie walk. Just got hacked. Changed. So hopefully she's not recycled any of my stuff. I'm actually so scared. Oh, I thought she recycled my hair then. Look at the skin tone she's made me. And look. Looks like I've been punched. I've still got that, that's cute. Let's change up. Let's change the skin and stuff. Luckily MSP made a cute, amazing edit on this, so I can change whenever I like now. I look like I've been punched pretty bad. Okay, so I'm fine. Okay. I said I didn't want the punch thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's change. Recycled a new. Oh my god, I think she's recycled some. No, she's not. Guys, I'm honestly so scared. I hardly ever get hacked. Like, hardly. Okay, so you guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been so stressful. And our next gaming thing is going to be IMVU. I know, right? I think it's today. I think I'm going to be recording it today. I'm going to tell my friend. IMV. Have you blocked me? I swear, if she's blocked me. View. No, either. I'm view. I'm view. Maybe, I don't know. I'm going to try though. Okay. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching. Bye guys. See you in the next episode. Shout out to you. Go add her. She's very nice. Shout out to her. She's my best friend. These two girls are my best friend. I love them so much.